This is ginger cubes made with fresh organic ginger. Nothing but goodness. Stay tuned to the end to see how a couple ways that I used this delicious ginger juice. I love this juicer. The pulp is so dry, so it's squeezing out all the juice, which is very good. I ended up with 12 ounces of fresh ginger juice. Each ginger cube is 1 tablespoon. Time for the freezer. Let's make some hot ginger tea. Nothing better than good, healthy ginger tea on a cold day like today. You could also add a cinnamon stick to this, a ginger tea, and even healthier, you can add some turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. That's very powerful. Ginger and turmeric, very powerful ingredients. You can also add that. Another delicious way to use these ginger cubes is to add it to juice that you may already have. I have some Matt's organic orange juice, simply just orange juice, no added ingredients. I'm using that, and to that I'm going to add some beet juice, and we know that beets are very good for us. They help with our high blood pressure. And this is Lakewood organic beet juice, not from concentrate, strictly beet juice, which is really, really good and healthy. And I'm going to just add a couple of ginger cubes to this. I'm going to make it real gingery, but it's really, really good. So orange juice, beet juice, and ginger cubes, very good, very healthy. I recommend it. John 1 and 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your very soul prospers. That's what God wants for us. That's what we want for ourselves as well. God bless.